The dart range, 3 dimensions for a very large range of IP66 projector for outdoor use. We have the small, the medium, and the Maxi. And altogether, well, 17 different proprietary optics offering a variety of light beams, sometimes available even in 2 different wattages, and ranging from very narrow spot to very wide asymmetric distribution. Some of them are absolutely unique, like the 6-degree spot with a parabolic high-precision reflector. A very sober design allows for the use of mixed size in the same lighting project, and a variety of accessories for further control of the light and a very flexible installation possibilities. We have 5 different optic designs. First of all, lenses, mostly proprietary, for different types of narrow spot, and flat beam spread. Second, we have the hybrid optics, which are proprietary and made of aluminum reflector and optic quality crystal lens and holographic filters for spot and flat beam spread. The third one is elliptical proprietary aluminum reflectors for medium wide flat and wide flat. Then we have asymmetric proprietary optics made of high reflectancy aluminum with different light distributions for very wide illuminations. And finally, number 5, a really unique indirect optic system, because the LED is placed towards the parabolic reflector and it's cooled by means of a heat pipe. And then comes a refractive filter. The whole makes and produces a very narrow spot and very high precision beam. Altogether, a very large range of possibilities that, combining the 3 different sizes, offer well 17 different beam spread, and as said before, a few of them even with substantially different lumen fluxes. About the sources, all the DART are equipped with 8th generation LED, COBs and emitters. This means an excellent constant CO spectrum, only 1.5 macaram COBs, and well over 145 lumen watt for all sizes of the DART range, which are 2 excellent features for the illumination of very large outdoor surfaces. As usual in Targetti products, very low working temperatures, so to ensure long and safe LED life. Available in 3000 Kelvin and 4000 Kelvin for all versions. Okay, let's see some mechanical characteristics and accessories for the whole range. All DART have an off-axis rotation, allowing for a closer or farther distance from the installation surface. For all 3 dimensions, there are insulation accessories which are common: earth spikes, rotation brackets, and for the medium and maxi sizes, there are also pole brackets for single, double, or multiple fixtures. For all 3 dimensions, we have several optical accessories. We have a 3-function anti-glare louver. This is function number 1, this is function number 2, and this is function number 3. And an asymmetric screen that can be positioned in any of the 4 sides. And finally, some filters. We have dichroic filters and blade filters for an excellent control of the light beam. Let us now see the main specific features of the 3 sizes, and we start with the small one. We have onboard electronic drivers displayed here, or remote drivers that can be electronic, 110-volt dimmable, and DALI. And then we have 4 different optics with lenses and reflectors, from very narrow spot of 9 degrees to spot, flat, and up to medium wide flat of 46 degrees. And now we have the DART medium. They all have onboard drivers that may be electronic, 110-volt, or DALI. 7 different optics made of lenses, hybrid systems, elliptic, or asymmetric reflectors. And they range from the narrow spot 10 degrees and over 25,000 candela, very interesting, to the wide flood 62 degrees with up to over 3,800 fixture lumen, as well as 2 different asymmetric distributions. And finally, a very clever laser pointer accessory that may be quite useful to aim in daylight. And finally, the Dart Maxi. We have, again, onboard drivers, electronic, 110-volt dimmable, and DALI, and up to 80-watt versions. 6 different optics, from very narrow spot 6 degree with up to over 190,000 candela, to the wide flood 52 degrees with over 6,600 fixture lumen, as well as the asymmetric wide distribution with over 7,700 fixture lumen output, a true maxi. Summarizing, the Dart range is available in 3 sizes with a minimal but coordinated design. It offers 17 different light beams and different wattages to provide a very large choice of both light distribution and lumen packages, multiple installation and optical accessories, and a choice of onboard drivers to ensure further control. All of this makes of the whole Dart range a true formidable weapon for illuminating any outdoor target